Is your laptop extremely slow or freezing for no reason? And your disk usage looks like this? Don't worry, this is a common problem, and I'll show you how to fix it. This issue happens on many Windows laptops, especially low-end ones. I'll show you simple fixes that can reduce disk usage and make your laptop usable again. Just follow what I do. First, let's fix one of the most common causes. Sysmain runs in the background to preload apps. But on slower drives, it can overload your disk. Press Windows key plus R. Type services.msc. Then press Enter. Find Sysmain. Right-click it and click Stop. Then double-click it. Set Startup Type to Disabled. Click Apply. Then click OK. This alone fixes the problem for many users. If your disk is still high, try this next one. Windows Search constantly scans your files in the background. Press Windows key plus R again. Type services.msc. Then press Enter. Find Windows Search. Right-click it and click Stop. This reduces background disk activity immediately. If it's still slow, this next step is very important. Some programs can run in the background without you noticing. Click Windows logo. Click Settings. Click Privacy and Security. Click Windows Security. Click Virus and Threat Protection. Then click Quick Scan. Even small malware can cause high disk usage. Outdated drivers can also cause performance issues. Right-click the Start button. Click Device Manager. Expand disk drives. Right-click your drive. Click Update Driver. After applying these fixes, your disk usage should go down. Those are the most effective ways to fix 100% disk usage. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials.